In that case, this happened on the 24th of July, a few months ago, at a local hotel here in Aruba. Apparently, there was an altercation between a security guard of that hotel and some guests. This happened at between 4 and 5 in the morning hours. It started out with some kids, and the family of the kids got involved, and they started arguing, which turned out into almost a fist fight. Luckily, the police were called on time, and they arrived before it got worse, and measures were taken. The security guard was arrested at the scene. He threatened the tourists in different ways, and also, he was also arrested for almost physically assaulting them. So he was taken into custody. In the morning hours, the detectives of the beach police took the case over, and they interrogated him. And right now, the whole process, the judicial process, has been executed, and he is in the process of facing charges. So right now, he has to go appear in front of a judge in order to hear his sentence. Yes, he apparently had a knife on him in his boot. There was no actual physical contact. There almost was. There were no injuries, however, and he was arrested for this. After the investigation process was ongoing, contact was made by the beach police detectives with the tourists, with the guests of the hotel, and they spoke extensively, and were explained literally how it went and what's going to happen through the whole process. The hotel itself also did their part in order to accommodate the guests as much as possible, and to mitigate the damages that were done. But why this video surfaced now after 3 months, I honestly cannot tell you. I don't know for what reason it surfaced, and the source of it, I cannot tell you for sure who posted this video. I don't know the person personally, so I don't know who recorded it. Yeah, well, I'm sorry. We know who recorded the video, but who posted it, we do not know.